Hello everyone, my name is Sri Krishna Bhagwat. I am IT undergrad at NIT Raipur, currently working with Innovation Cell NIT Raipur. Today we have gathered here for an event organized by Entrepreneurship Cell and Innovation Cell of NIT Raipur. Today we have the star personality of our college who don't need any introduction, that is Samvik sir. Samvik sir has explored the startup and entrepreneurship field in depth. They are being the founder which will help us to gain more insightful knowledge. Here we have the Samvik sir, the founder of Zenitech Techware and is also a software engineer at Microsoft. Samvik sir is excellent in time management and is also running a YouTube channel named as Chat with SK for spreading awareness about entrepreneurship and are mentoring thousands of students. They have also grabbed various awards for the same. So now I welcome Samvik sir here for the talk of iTalk on the topic of design thinking. For continuing the iTalk, I will hand over the session to the Samvik sir. Over to you, sir.
Hey, hi man, thanks for the wonderful introduction. And like it was too much, so I laughed. So pardon me for that. So basically, I've been into running a startup for quite some time now. Dropped it now, but I've been into it. So now I'm helping basically teenage students via my YouTube channel in every possible way, basically. Right? So yeah, I'll talk a little bit about how I started and maybe take some small examples of different things and then we can just talk about those things, right? So yeah, we started with a basic. Okay, it was not a startup initially. It was basically we wanted to do freelancing stuff and we were not getting projects. So there was one way to get kind of trust from our customers or basically our user base is by opening a company, right? And having a name instead of having company, basically company name instead of a personal thing. So yeah, that's how we started. Four of us started the startup, and then we looked around us. Most of the people needed basic websites and application. We started developing them. By the end of third year, we had a revenue of around 10 lakhs INR. Right? Then we thought of moving into the product-based startup from service to product-based, and that's how we started developing our sort of life and those stuff. So before talking about design thinking, let's know why design thinking, right? So अगर मैं एकदम theoretical definition दूँ तो बहुत complex हो जाएगी. In very simple terms, it's basically to save your time and energy. ठीक है. So what happens is what we usually do is कि एक idea आया, उसको बनाने बैठ गए. We do all kinds of stuff possible कि ठीक है, मेरे को लगता है ये useful होगा. I think this will be useful. Add all those features and then launch it to the users. Right? In this process, what happens if this is not a very well planned process? What happens is you end up building something you like. Okay, and now these things don't work. You need to build something your customer or users need. So basically, design thinking will help you save a lot of time and energy, and basically give you the right direction to work. Right? That's the basic aspect. So now, talking about like what exactly is design thinking. So it's a term used within a set of cognitive, strategic, and practical person. All those things you can read online and all those stuff. But this is basically the crux of it. Going on to the steps. Now, this is the important part, and these steps should be in a particular way, in a particular order. That's our empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Right? This is the usual trend what everyone follows. And now this goes on in loops for every different thing you want to bring in into your product. So let's take an example and then go through building a startup about it, right? So if we talk about design thinking, the first step is to empathize. Now it's exactly what the word means. You need to empathize with your customer. Now by empathize with your customer, what I mean is truly understand what is the problem that they are facing, right? If you don't know that, you are only building things on what you feel the problem is, and that the two things might be very different. Okay. So what happens usually is let's assume a rural area है, है, रूरल एरिया में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की प्रॉब्लम है, आपने स्वदेश देखी है, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे रूरल एरिया में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की प्रॉब्लम है। अब बाहर से अगर कोई अर्बन पर्सन है, उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, क्योंकि भाई उसको बस बाहर से दिख रहा है कि देयर इज नो प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन दैट रीजन, ठीक है, तो द पॉसिबल सोल्यूशन कुड बी जस्ट गो एंड लाइक put on a transformer, put on a substation there, and then just do this. But when you go into the rural area, you see that there is lack of technical expertise. Okay, you won't find people to be in that substation to maintain that particular thing. Okay, there are a lot of things. I'm just taking one example out of it. So there might be hundreds of problems or tens of problems which you will only learn when you be with the people over there for some time, when you empathize with them, when you truly understand what exactly the problem is and why are they not being able to produce electricity. Okay, so this is the way. So first you need to empathize with your customers. Now to describe it more, let's talk about let's say mental health issue है, ठीक है। अब अगर तुमको बाहर से दिख रहा है कि कॉलेज में मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज है, ठीक है, बाय मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज आई सिंपली मीन कि students are in depression, let's assume, I hope they are not, but let's say कि they are in depression, ठीक है, और they are not completely mentally healthy, stress है, anxiety है, all this adds up to the mental health, ठीक है, issues, स्ट्रेस है, एंग्जाइटी है, ठीक है। वास्तु प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज है, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि एकेडमिक प्रेशर ज्यादा है, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि रिलेशनशिप अंडरस्टैंडिंग कम है, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि फाइनेंशियली कोई स्टूडेंट स्टेबल नहीं। दो द आउटकम इज मेंटल हेल्थ स्टेबिलिटी, इट इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम्स आर दीस थ्री व्हिच आई जस्ट मेंशन्ड, ठीक है। तो एम्पैथाइज ये कब पता चलेगा आपको? जब आप स्टूडेंट से बात करें कि ठीक है भाई तुमको स्ट्रेस है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट क्यों है स्ट्रेस? ही विल टेल यू ओके XYZ रीजंस हैं, ठीक है, मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया है, मैं फेल हो गया हूँ, मेरा बैक सेमेस्टर बैक लग गया है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, ठीक है, दीज थिंग्स, दैट इज ट्रू। सो यू नीड टू एम्पैथाइज विद कस्टमर, यू टॉक टू देम, यू टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन दैट। Second step is define the problem. So now you need to clearly define the problem. Defining the problem is very important. ठीक है, अब डिफरेंट कारण सुसाइड्स होते हैं, बीट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, बीट कॉलेजेस, बीट कॉर्पोरेट, एनीवेयर, ठीक है। तो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि नाउ यू वोंट डिफाइन योर प्रॉब्लम एज कि आई वांट टू रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ सुसाइड्स, नो, यू वांट टू इरेडिकेट द मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज। अगर आप मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज इरेडिकेट करोगे तो सुसाइड्स अपने आप कंट्रोल हो जाएंगे। तो योर प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट working on the number side, rather working on improving someone's mental health basically, ठीक है। तो पुराने सिनारियो में जहाँ मैंने रूरल और अर्बन एरिया की बात की थी, तो your problem should not be bringing the presence of electricity, that comes very later on. The first problem to solve over there is to make people technically sound, to be able to at least maintain if an electric substation or something is given to them, you should be able to have a particular level of that technical knowledge over there, right? So second is define the problem. You need to very clearly define the problem. अब define the problem लोग बोलते हैं कि ठीक है मैं define तो कर दूंगा कि भाई ठीक है, now the problem is कि हमको technically sound करना है रूरल एरिया के पीपल को, एंड इस वाले सेकंड एग्जांपल में हमको मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम करना है। Also the important point which is hidden is you need to define what is not the problem over here. So number of suicide is not the problem over here. You need to clearly specify कुछ भी हो, मैं number of suicide पे काम नहीं करूँगा। इधर what is not the problem कि building a substation, constructing infrastructure of that substation is not a problem at all, right? तो जो not वाला part है वो बहुत clearly define करना पड़ता है, ठीक है। तो आप वो करोगे तो दिस इज कंप्लीट स्टेटस ऑफ डिफाइनिंग अ प्रॉब्लम। थर्ड पॉइंट कम्स अप एज एन आइडिएट। तो वापस प्रॉब्लम आपने पहले कस्टमर से बात कर ली, आपने प्रॉब्लम डिफाइन कर ली, अब आता है अब आप आइडिएट करो, ठीक है, कि अब मैं इस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ। टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, आप मेंटल हेल्थ कैसे परफॉर्म, कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हो, तो आप उनको यू कैन अवेल a particular number of counselors for them, ठीक है। रूरल वाले एग्जांपल में, रूरल एरिया वाले एग्जांपल में what you can do is you can simply educate people more on basically types like electrical engineering and all those stuff. You need to educate them over there. You need to improve education over there, and this is a type of idea. Now, this might not be the only structure, but this is the starting point. This is the starting point of your thought process. You'll ideate about it. I think the solution should be this. Now, a good way to propose that solution is to have pros and cons. Iterate through all the ideas you have. Don't stick to a particular direction. Basically, you need to check. अगर आप अगर एक particular destination के लिए 5 रोड है जाने की, तो you try all of them first and then decide which is the shortest and most efficient. ठीक है? By shortest I meaning from going perspective, but idea के perspective से सबसे efficient कौन सा है आपको देखना है, सबसे suitable आपको कौन सा है. So for all those 5 routes, you have pros and cons. यहाँ भीड़ ज़्यादा है, यहाँ रास्ता कम है, ये है, यहाँ वो है, whatever that is. ठीक है? You need to have all the possible solutions you have, and then get your pros and cons list done and all those things. Okay. Now, one of the major things we do is you don't need to elongate this process very much. अगर आप ideate को बहुत ज़्यादा elongate कर दोगे, तो that again is a problem. ठीक है, तो इस process को short भी रखना है, but efficient भी रखना है. Now, once you have the ideas, you need to implement it. Hence, the next step is to prototype. Now, most of the people understand this step very incorrectly. ठीक है, तो prototype does not mean specifically कि आप से हम टेक्निकल से I'm from a technical background. तो initially whatever came to my mind was ठीक है, इसके लिए ऐप बना दूंगा, इसके लिए वेब बना दूंगा, इसके लिए ऐप बना दूंगा, इसके लिए वेब बना दूंगा. Don't jump into directly a hardware or a software solution. ठीक है, prototype can be anything, literally anything. ठीक है, तो prototype इतना सिंपल होना चाहिए कि आप उस चीज को अपने टीम के बीच शेयर कर पाओ. The aim of the prototype is to dog food कर सकते. बाय डॉग फूडिंग आई मीन कि आप उस प्रोटोटाइप को लोगे अपने टीम के बीच शेयर करोगे कि ये प्रॉब्लम थी, ये मैंने सोचा था सोल्यूशन ऐसा है, अब तुम लोग बताओ कि क्या करना चाहिए इसमें, तुम लोग क्या कमी लग रही, क्या लग रही है, ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू. they'll tell you कि नहीं यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम. A prototype again I am mentioning it needs not to be a software solution या वो it can be as simple as PowerPoint slides. PowerPoint slides कि हम ऐसा करेंगे, हम ऐसा करेंगे, हम ऐसा करेंगे. You don't need to educate rural people through a mobile application. You can just go to them, have a session, have a 5-hour, 10-hour boot camp every weekend and just share information with them. Same goes for mental health. You don't need to have an app initially. You can just go out in your college once the things are open, obviously, and have speaker session, counseling sessions, mental health counseling over there. ठीक है, तो ये कर सकते हैं. Now the point comes कि प्रोटोटाइप करने का फायदा क्या है. तो अगर आप इंटरनली जब शेयर करो तो there comes a lot of things जो आपके टीम मेंबर्स will bring into your table. तो वो बोलेंगे ओके यहाँ पे इम्प्रूवमेंट, यहाँ पे इम्प्रूवमेंट. Listen to it completely unbiased. आपका आइडिया might be good, might be bad, but हमको अपना आइडिया हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. तो listen to it completely unbiased. उनसे पूछो ठीक है और क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट, और क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट. You don't need to necessarily entertain every suggestion, but you should listen and see if it's really worth adding it or not. ठीक है. फाइनली जो इसके बाद आता है प्रोटोटाइप में आपने कर ली इज द टेस्टिंग पार्ट कि भाई टेस्ट कैसे करें. तो यू जस्ट रिलीज इट टू द योर यूजर्स. नाउ अगेन द टेस्टिंग शुड नॉट बी अ फुल फ्लेज्ड थिंग. आप सबसे पहले एमवीपी बनाते हो, राइट. दिस व्हाट कॉल्ड मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट. आप एमवीपी डिलीवर करोगे अपने कस्टमर्स को. नाउ दिस एमवीपी कैन बी एनीथिंग product. It can be as simple as a video, which I'll tell you why I'm saying as a video. I'll tell you. So this is the testing part. The testing part क्या करते हो आप users को देते हो, users will use it. Okay, अच्छा है जो भी है अच्छा है, and then they'll give you reviews and you'll build on those reviews. आपने platform कैसे improve करूँ, and you'll go back to the step 1, empathize. आप फिर और problem depth भी समझोगे क्या क्या हो रहा है. You'll again define the problem. You'll update your problem basically. Then you'll again ideate how you can solve this. Then you again do the prototyping and you will test again. तो ये जो है ये never ending circle बन जाएगा and you will do it. Now I'll take some scenarios on how people did it, how successful companies did it. So I'm sure you all must have heard of Dropbox. ठीक है, तो Dropbox was just a video, to be very honest. ठीक है, उसका जो MVP था which was released between the both companies was a simple video of what they will be doing. It was not a full-fledged product. For those of you who don't know what Dropbox is, it's basically for a cloud service to store your photos and all those stuff. Basically an alternative to Google Drive, right? So that was Dropbox. And you can see all the financials and all those things. But yeah, that started with a simple video. So you don't have to necessarily make a complete application. So yeah, that was about design thinking. If there are any questions, Bhagwat, you may want to ask, or if it is something in very particular you may want to, you want me to speak on, I'll be happy to.
Yes, sir. As you have founded one company when you were in college, so as taking one example of a student who is currently in college and wants to start something, so at that time, how he will have to manage the expense part?
Oh, that's a great question. So, there are two things, right? First is to earn something. Okay. So the way we funded our product-based startup was through a service-based startup. सबके पास लैपटॉप होता ही है, यूजुअली होता है, ठीक है, इसके पास नहीं है कोई वरीज नहीं है, यूजुअली लैपटॉप होता है सबके पास, ठीक है। तो जिनके पास है सिंपल डेवलपमेंट कर लो, फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोजेक्ट उठा लो, ऐप बना लो, वेब बना लो, उससे कमा लो, दैट शुड बी इनफ, ठीक है, टू फंड योर थिंग्स। ऑब्वियसली द हार्डवर्क का इनपुट बहुत हाई कर्व है, बट ठीक है, और ऑप्शन नहीं है आपके पास। For those of you who don't have laptops, you may want to teach someone. Okay, I've seen my friends going out to teach स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, 11th में 12th वाले बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, भले वीकेंड्स में क्लास लो, whatever you want to do, you can do those stuff, ठीक है। तो उससे क्या होगी, एटलीस्ट यू हैव अ साइड इनकम टू स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑन, ठीक है। अगर आपको पढ़ाने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो देन दिस डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फील्ड, जहाँ पे आप कंटेंट राइटिंग कर सकते हो, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग कर सकते हो, तो सब चीज ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल एंड पीपल आर पेइंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी फॉर इट, एटलीस्ट यू कैन स्टार्ट दैट। डज इट आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, बाबू?
Yeah, basically, sir. Yeah, that means that we have to basically start earning something for that, and then we have to use it for the further projects.
For sure, for sure.
And sir, basically, some if one student is from third year or fourth year, and if he started something like a startup, so at that time he needs some interns for his startup. So at that time, there are few platforms which are available like Internshala and many more. Sir, what will be the process for him to hire those interns? Because he was not knowing to them, and he is currently in third year. It's basically a trust type of thing.
Right. So there are two aspects to it, right? First thing is, are you able to pay or not? Okay, there are two things. Either you can have paid interns and unpaid interns. Okay, that depends on how much revenue you have or how much you can spend. If if it is a paid intern, you need to have experienced people. If you're paying for it, you need to make sure the people are experienced. By experience, I mean they should have done something in a particular field for at least some respectable amount of time, and they have good knowledge of it, and then you hire those people. What will the process? I'll tell you later. But that's the point. Second would be to see if you're doing an unpaid internship, obviously no experienced person will come to you for internship because there are many others who are willing to pay. Okay, and it's not even right to hire unpaid interns who are not highly experienced. So what you do, you bring out people and make sure if you're not paying them through money, you are paying them through experience. Give them the best experience you can have. Trust them with more work. Okay, trust them with more work. Trust them with bigger work that is very crucial to your project, and make sure you transform them into something which makes them capable of landing a paid internship or a job very easily just because they work for you. Okay, so that is should be the approach. Now, talking about how you can judge it, you need to have interviews for that. ठीक है, you just cannot hire a person directly based on the resume. आप resume में कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है. Now, what to look in a particular interview is something which you can find amply on YouTube. ठीक है, आप YouTube पे Google करो how to interview an candidate, you can find all those things. But the crucial part, what I have looked when I was hiring, is whether the person is truly believing in the problem or not. अगर वो उसको problem में वो he's interested in that, but solving that particular problem, तो he'll go high and bounds to prove himself. वो आपका फिर इशू नहीं है, फिर वो भले कोई बैकग्राउंड का बंदा हो, कोई बैकग्राउंड काम कर रहा हो, that won't be a worry. अगर उसको प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ रही है and if he too feels that this is a problem that needs to be solved, then वो definitely he'll work. ठीक है, तो वो आप you don't have to worry about that. In case if that is not the case, I think you should move on with another candidate. That would be my take on that.
Now we have learned a lot more about design thinking with the great example, and this will be helpful in our further journey of life. Finally, thanks a lot Samvik sir for the support and guidance on this topic of design thinking. And thanks a lot for taking out your valuable time for this iTalk. We all show gratitude to the guest, and here I conclude the session. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.
Thanks, man. Take care. Bye.